Is it the right time to buy or sell Lucid stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Lucid, providing you with a more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 8, 2023, our system has identified Lucid as a strong sell candidate with a score of -6.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a loss of -4.94%, highlighting its downward trend. This equates to an average loss of -2.47% per day since it was classified as a strong sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend in the short term. However, this can be seen as a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $3.67 is broken, it may indicate a stronger rate of decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -37.27% over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return between -38.73% and -25.59%. On a 12-month scale, the trend indicates a projected change of -36.58%. This translates to a potential return ranging from -69.79% to 49.23%. In other words, the stock price could range between $1.13 and $5.60 after a year. Our latest update on Lucid brings us disappointing news: red day on Thursday for Lucid. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 9, 2023, the stock price of Lucid dropped by 4.94%, falling from $3.95 to $3.76. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout that day, the stock's value fluctuated between a low of $3.72 and a high of $4.04, experiencing a 8.6% difference. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 7.74%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume tends to follow the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 14 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $137.34 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Lucid stock was $17.81, while the lowest was $3.72. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 78.92%, or $14.06, below its 52-week high. Additionally, it is trading 94.21%, or $61.11, below its all-time high, which was reached on February 18, 2021, when the price peaked at $64.86. Here are the latest analyst ratings for LCID. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Guggenheim gave LCID a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital also gave LCID a sector perform grade with a hold action. Cantor Fitzgerald, on the other hand, provided LCID with a neutral grade but with a downgrade action. Moving back to September 8, 2023, RBC Capital assigned LCID a sector perform grade with an initialize action. And finally, on August 8, 2023, Needham gave LCID a buy grade but maintained a hold action. Analysts have generally rated Lucid stock as a buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Lucid. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for Lucid. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upward, it may face resistance at $4.22 and $4.77. However, if it breaks above these levels, it could trigger buy signals. On Friday, November 3, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in an 18.72% decline. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average currently does not indicate any sell signal. The relation between the short and the long moving averages currently holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 73 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 175 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Lucid. Currently, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions arise, the stock may experience poor performance in the next couple of days. It's important to be aware of this potential risk. Lucid stock is known for its volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a large prediction interval for this stock, indicating a high-risk classification. Looking at the recent data, the stock had a price range of $0.320 between its high and low, which represents a percentage change of 8.6%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.06%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Lucid, let's begin by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or are losing money. It's normal for even established companies to go through tough periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 20, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Lucid. If Lucid experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $3.95. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially drop sharply. If you're considering trading in these circumstances, it's crucial to proceed with caution and only do so if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Lucid has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources, with a combined average rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On September 14, 2023, Bell Michaels sold 46,735 shares of Class A common stock. On September 10, 2023, Sherry & House bought 408,663 shares of Class A common stock. On September 10, 2023, Sherry & House sold 26,742 shares of Class A common stock. On September 10, 2023, Sherry & House bought 408,663 shares of employee stock option. On September 10, 2023, Gagan Dhingra bought 113,517 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 90.299. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 361,313,675 shares and sold 6,683,662 shares. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, we have a negative outlook on it. Additionally, no stop loss has been set for this particular investment. Is investing in Lucid stock a good idea? Lucid currently exhibits several negative signals and is experiencing a declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate its performance to remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Lucid is undervalued. For Friday, November 10th, we predict that Lucid will open with an increase of $0.0833 and commence trading at $3.84. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. Let's dive in and explore the potential target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.